This is the follicular unit extraction technique. This is scarless, sutureless, safe and a predictable technique to restore your hair loss. And it's also permanent. So now we're removing the follicles. You can see it's already popped out, so it just needs to be removed that easily. Follicles are transferred onto the petri dish. So this petri dish is kept over the ice actually. So it's kept low temperature. And this is the first step of surgical hair transplantation. Follicles that have been harvested off the donor area. This would heal very, very quickly. We call the patients on day 3. By the time all of this is beautifully healed.